Keto chak eko machon. Sometimes when you bring old and new, they really take time to blend.
Yes.
But eventually with determination and hard work, you get a perfect blend of a dealer.
So ladies and gentlemen, I'm back with Ajo Mbuta. And by the way, Ajo has been bragging here. Let me brag a little bit. Ajo alipanda ndege for the first time Ginyinga. Oh, sorry. But that's true. This guy.
Yeah, I was forgetting that. Come on. How did I even forget that? No, in 2012.
Yes.
That was my longest flight. So Tamasha Beats, Tamasha Beats has this. We had like 2 events.
Yes.
You were going to Europe.
I'd gone to Europe.
Yes.
I'd gone for a performance in Europe.
Yes, and so
Yes.
again,
there's South Africa. Guys, we had a performance in South Africa.
Oh God, I went to Tambo International Airport.
For the first time, this guy.
Let me tell you, we went to South Africa, and they were so amazed. This song. Ni wana no no
Yes, that is
ni
Tua Benga.
wana no no. They were looking at us like, whoa, whoa. The audience.
So they embraced our music, which Tamasha Beats, we play Benga music mostly. Right? They embraced our music. That means Benga music can cross borders. And has even crossed.
And there was
borders.
a South African musician, a very famous guy. It's called, I think, Bongani or somebody. He came to us asking, "Hey, that song, ni wana no no, that song, yes." Is it a Kenyan? Yeah, it's Kenyan. Because it's Luo. Mayo. We don't know what we have until we travel outside that.
As you've heard, ladies and gentlemen, we've actually spoken about even the future of Benga music in terms of attracting the young people into it. We need to do more. We need to find out what the young people like. We need to stream our music. This is what I say. And this is what I also hope to achieve with this Benga Chronicles. We need to bring back swag into Benga music so that younger people can embrace this music. So we have a duty, all the players in the industry, especially the musicians, do your part. And as Ajo says, promoters out there, come on, man. If you can promote a musician,
why not?
Why not?
Do something, man. Oluoch Kanendo. Do you know that guy?
Pioneers of Benga music.
Do you know that guy? That guy did not use to, he was never a singer.
He was a promoter or
yes.
producer?
What that guy did is he promoted every kind of Benga musician you would find in the entire Lake region. Initially, NASA had a thing, this one for adopt a polling station.
Yeah.
There is need for our people in our localities, for example, our Washemiwas, if every Washemiwa would adopt 1 or 2 Benga musicians, it would be very nice.
Politicians have a thing about if they help a musician, then they want the musician to only play their praises. Which when we read Benga music history, that's one of the things that Benga music used to do. Singing
Giving
praises.
shout outs to people,
Which is not bad, but if then I adopt you and you're a musician, then I can always press you down, and if you sing another person who could be my opponent, then the sponsorship could go. What do you say about that?
There is need for our counties to step up this war of supporting our musicians or our artists in general. And that is an appeal I would really put across to even the Ministry of Tourism and Sports and Gender. And then again, in terms of storage, Benga sometimes, the Kitambo used to have it on this Santom. And people really didn't have that.
LP.
Yeah, how do you call that?
LP.
Yes.
LPs, the old LPs.
Santom. That one, that's how I know it. So you see, back then, a few people would afford Santom or LP for that matter. And then again, it transitioned to cassettes.
Yes.
But right now, even our cars, the cars we have, we don't have these slots for cassettes.
It's just a flash disc.
The few Benga which survive still today, and people have them on the CDs. In my car, you can't miss the Cheng Nelly. You can't miss the Daudi Kapakas, the likes of Rogers, who I was talking about, the Kabasele.
The new and the old.
Yes,
new and old.
Even Aeroberabe, what do I go Nigita Nyati Karumbi,
sorry. Who is that? One of the best Nyatiti players.
Yeah, I know. It's Nyatiti.
It's a blind musician who sings about birds.
He has never seen birds, but he knows
all
the
them.
names. It's
and
amazing.
he asks why they are singing and he's not singing.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
That's a very good place to take a break, all right? We're going to take a break. We're going to go and see what the trending top news is today. We'll be right back. And ladies and gentlemen, on our top trending news today, we're going to talk about the Luo Festival. The Luo Festival is the way to go, ladies and gentlemen. The Luo Festival by Arena Media is the way to go. Let me tell you this. We have been wondering why our music is not being played. Think about it. People only play what they know. Our music is not known. And these festivals are the ones that will make our music get known. And trust me, the people who come to these festivals are not only Luo. You know, Njeris come. Well, they come for some other reason. But they do come, okay? What I'm trying to say is that this is an idea whose time has come. Let us not fight ideas that will develop our music. Let us not fight ideas that will push us forward. Because Luo Festival also allows people to sell their wares. Instead of fighting these ideas, let us bring forward other ideas. Let us encourage other festivals. Please, the county governments in Luo Nyanza, the county government of Migori, Governor Obado, the county government of Homa Bay, Governor Cyprian Aweti, county government of Kisumu, Governor Anyang' Nyong'o, county government of Siaya, Rasanga. Kuna mtu nimeacha nje? Mko wote hapo. Please, county governments, embrace these festivals. Let us promote these festivals so that Benga music gets back to where it should get. We need to get Benga music back to the radio stations. We need to get Benga music back to people's homes. Okay? Let us promote Benga music. Let us promote the Benga music culture. Let us educate other people also embrace this culture. This is the only way to go. So let us create other festivals. Let us not fight the Luo Festival that has been created by Arena Media and of course Jalang'o. It's a business. Our entrepreneurs, please, let us be creative. So the today's top trending news, I'm telling you, embrace the Luo Festival. And by the way, this segment is mine. I say what I want. I can talk about politics. I will talk about agriculture. I will talk about anything in this segment. And that is today's top trending news. Capiche? I want us to talk about a very, very noble idea, something that I really love. The Luo Festival. Okay? The Luo Festival is an event that was supposed to happen because it has been pushed forward, right?
Yeah.
It was supposed to happen on 25th of
this month, November 2017, yes.
So the Luo Festival,
yeah.
What's the format? I know and I'm aware that this is not the first time it was going to be held.
Luo Festival, number one, is a successful event organized by the Luos. We call it the annual general meeting. The Luo Festival was scheduled for this month, 25th November 2017, but apparently because of the political tension and instability, we had to postpone it. You know, it's also coming at a time when a few Luos have been killed in the name of post-election violence, and so the organizing committee sat down and thought of wait to do it another day because there is nothing good to celebrate about.
Yes, and truth is, our people can be very, very, yes, for lack of a better word, they're very excited.
They have forceful excitements. Luo Festival is one other brand we really need to embrace with two hands. Yes. Because one thing it does is that it brings a lot of very many musicians from all genres to the same platform, old, new, and also aspiring.
Okay. Now, let me get this, because let me get this out there for all of us to understand. Guys, I witnessed the creation of this Luo Festival, and I can tell you, take it from me, and I'm speaking from a point of know-how. I have information. This is a creation of Jalang'o, Huyu. This is my former schoolmate. You cannot say otherwise. His company, Arena Media, is one that runs the Luo Festival. They've been doing it from 2013 or 2014? Thereabout. 2013, 2014. Okay? And the reason why I'm talking about it is this. It promotes Benga music, okay? So, tuache mambo ingine, to embrace Luo Festival, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
So, thank you very much. Do you have any other thing to tell our people out there concerning Benga music?
Benga music is still our foundation. You know, a house cannot stand without its foundation. So no matter what happens, there is need for us to go back to our very origin. You know, Benga music is I love Benga music. As a presenter, as a Ramogi presenter, I would also want to represent Ramogi here and
Go
just
ahead.
gladly proclaim that we as a station, we support Benga. We support our musicians. That is why anytime we have an event back, an activation, ongoing activation outside broadcast.
Long live Ramogi.
Yes, we make sure that Ramogi is featuring and we support our musicians accordingly. So, guys, you really need to support Papi OdeQ and support the Benga Chronicles, and also subscribe. I know you can see this subscription button down there.
Yes.
So make sure you subscribe to Benga Chronicles. We take Benga to a whole new level.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very
Papi
much.
OdeQ.
Thank you.
You are the guy.
You are the guy. Ajo Mbuta.
Papi OdeQ. Papi OdeQ.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so that's it. Let's meet next time in the next episode when we talk about another topic right here at Benga Chronicles, right? We will be tackling other issues concerning Benga. Remember, we are still going pole pole, learning about the history of Benga. It is about Benga music. Please embrace Benga music. Young people, as I've told you, hakuna vile Benga inaisha fashion.
Hakuna.
No, never.
Hakuna.
Never, ever. Benga sio culot. Culot ilisha fashion. Benga sio sijui. Benga music. Just give it a try. Give it a try, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't know where the music is, hit me up. Join us on Facebook. Join us on Twitter. Tweet us. Leave your comments here in the comment section. Just leave your comments there. All right. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Asante kapish.
Kapish. Peace, man. Peace, man.
Yeah. I say it, baba. I say it.